Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to track calories in MyFitnessPal. You want also to know some more info about your body and everything else, but you are working out in Garmin. Well, you can also connect them and let them talk. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually connect Garmin Connect to MyFitnessPal in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So open your phone, make sure you are fully connected to the internet within the app. So basically, you're gonna go all the way to open Garmin Connect. It's time now to log in using your email address and password so you can access this dashboard and tap on more on the three-dot menu. Now go all the way to settings. You will be able to see multiple options. Tap on connected apps here. So now they're gonna tell you no connected apps. You haven't connected your Garmin account with any other apps yet. If you do, you can manage how your data is shared with those apps here. So when you see MyFitnessPal in the list, tap on it, then tap connect. Make sure to authorize the link. You will be redirected to MyFitnessPal. All you're gonna do is log in with your account, review the permissions. I'm talking about Garmin sends exercise data to MyFitnessPal, and MyFitnessPal sends nutrition data. I'm talking about the calorie intake to Garmin or your Garmin account generally. Just tap allow or authorize. As for some small known issues, if calories don't sync correctly, unlink and relink both apps. This fixes most problems. Also check that your food diary in MyFitnessPal has entries. Nothing to sync means nothing shows on your watch. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.